Ocean, you got me trapped in your waves. Bill comes, he goes. Months and months and months. Comes and he goes, comes and he goes. He leads a great life out on your waters, doing whatever he wants, and leaving a poor woman alone, just me to protect her. For months and months and months, I watched that poor woman suffer. She thinks she loves it. She doesn't. She's not happy. And he doesn't care. No, he's selfish. I can see that. Anybody can see that. Bill's always going off and coming back. And what she needs is a man who can stay by her no matter what you throw at her. Now, Bill's selfish. He uses her. She'll never be happy with him. This I know. And then one day he won't come back. One day you're going to just swallow him up. One day she'll come out here with her lantern and won't return. She'll know. She's wasted years of her life. Evening, Jane. Lighting the lantern for your valiant pirate?
Yes, sir. How are you this evening, Sheriff?
Oh, just fine, just fine. Here for your protection, as always.
You're awfully sweet, but you know it isn't necessary.
It makes me feel safer. And besides, I get some fresh booze.
Well, it's nice to have a company while I wait.
I haven't seen any ships out there. Sure hope nothing went wrong.
I hope not.
Well, we'll just wait and see.